Bigfoot here. Today we've got 4 floodlights that I got at a garage sale. All the bulbs are burnt out. One worked for a little bit and the other one fizzled out, and 2 didn't work at all. That's when I got them. Today they were having a sale at Fleet Farm. 49 cents for every one of these double-ended J-type 500 watt 120 volt halogen bulbs. So we're gonna go through and show you how to install those right now. Let's do it. So it looks as I have 2 types here. I have this type that covers the entire face with this black frame, the access. You have to take this screw out, and then you'll be able to fold this down to access the bulb on the inside. The second type at the end here, cage type, usually has a screw in the front. I do have this one, however, that's got that protective cage, and it's got the black outer frame around it that you still have to access from the rear side with the screw. An abundance of flavors, I would say. Alright, that's the first one. Let's get the back. Access the rear screw on the top. Lefty loosey, righty tighty. So always screw counterclockwise. This is true with 90% of the screws in the world. Of course, there are exceptions. Now the screws out, set it aside. The front folds right down, and that gives you a free, full view, clear access to this bulb, which you just twist and then pull. And that's it, that easy. Now we'll go ahead and open one of these new 500 watt halogen bulbs. See that little nub on there? Twist forward. Push on the pin on one side, insert it on the other, and then
we're plugged in. Let's test the light. And now we'll screw that front cover back on.
That's it, just the one screw. And the bulbs are really cheap at the local Fleet Farm or hardware store or whatever you might have. So, for number 2, full face with cage. Alright, screw in the back. Alright, face should fold down just like that. Move this old one. Take the new one. Place it in this side. And there we go. Just like that. Alright, now that's plugged in, we'll go ahead and give it a go. Whoa! Let's fold that face back up. Go ahead and insert the screw. The top rear side of this floodlight. Alright, all good to go. Number 3. Same concept. Go ahead, slide it on the one side, line it up on the other, just like that. Perfect. Now we'll go ahead, plug it in to test it. Oh, this one was already on. Well, I guess we found what's different with this one. There's no on-off switch at all. Well, that's inconvenient, but still a useful tool to have around. Go ahead, get that unplugged and screw this back in, and I'll use it when I have a surge protector or something where I can just flip a switch. And last but not least, number 4, full face, screw in the back, and there is a power switch. Hold our face down. Pull the old bulb out. Looks like it fits nice. Get it closed up. And we'll put the screw in the back. Now, plug it in. Give it a test. There we go. Light was already on that one. Beautiful. Switch works good too. Alright, well there's how we change a halogen bulb on a floodlight. If you have any questions or comments about installing floodlight bulbs on these model bulbs, feel free to leave those questions in the comments below. I think it's pretty straightforward though. What do you think? Have a good night, everyone.